Hello everyone, once again welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can update Intel HD graphics card driver on your PC or laptop if you are using Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10 operating system. So the first thing you should know how to check which graphics card you are using on your PC or laptop. So right click somewhere on the blank screen and choose screen resolution. If you are using Windows 7, then you have to choose screen resolution, and if you are using Windows 10, then you may select display settings. Here you have to click on advanced settings. You will get a window like this. Here you can see just below adapter, it's selected by default, and if it's not, then you may select this option adapter. Just below this adapter, type Intel HD Graphics 4400. So this is the graphics card I'm using on this PC, and if you click here on properties, you will get another window. Here you have to click on driver, then you can update this device driver by clicking here and then just simply selecting search automatically for updated driver software. But let me tell you that most of the times this will work, but this isn't going to provide the latest driver for this particular device. Okay, it will make your device work, but I'm sure about this that this option is not capable of getting latest driver updates. So if you are using Intel HD graphics card, then how to update to latest graphics driver for your graphics adapter? Here you can see on my screen, this is the link you have to use, and here you have to download this application. This is Intel official application, and this doesn't only work for graphics card, but this also works for another Intel devices. So it's very convenient, and you should use this option instead of searching automatically for device driver software. So click on download. After downloading, just I already have downloaded, just click and run this, agree. Now why this is useful, why I'm recommending you to update your Intel HD graphics card driver using this application, because this allows you to automatically update your device driver software, and also it provides additional information about other Intel products which are installed on your PC. Okay, so if there any update is available for other products, then this will help you. Now make sure that you have a working internet connection, then you have to click on accept. It will take some time, and let me show you how this actually works. This is the best way. Okay, now installation is going to be completed, and I'm going to show you what will happen. Now it is going to ask you to close this or to launch this. So I would recommend you to launch this, and this is going to open another tab in your browser, and you can see here this application has started scanning your computer. Okay, and it will take some time, and it will show you all these device information on this page. You can see why I was saying that this is the best application to use for updating Intel products driver. You can see here I'm using Intel Core i3 processor, and if any update for the driver of this particular device is available, then it is going to show here just after that, like this. It's showing for graphics card. So what I have to do, I have to click on this small arrow, and you can see update available. Click on this and then click on download. It will take some time. Now you can see that it doesn't even ask you which graphics card driver you require. It automatically scan, and it automatically shows you to download the driver if update is available, and then simply click on install now after the download is complete. Okay, on the same page you have to click on install now, yes, next. It will take some time. The best part is that you'll get latest driver software from this page if you are using any Intel products. It's not just about Intel HD graphics card driver. It's about any Intel product. So next, yes, next. It usually takes some time. This is the best option if you want to update Intel devices drivers. Once the installation is completed, then it will ask me to restart my PC. It will take time, so I'm not going to waste your time here. This is the process. You can just simply scan using that application, and then you have to download if any update is available, and then you have to click install, and this application will allow you to automatically install latest driver for any of Intel products, including Intel HD graphics card driver. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share and leave a comment below if you like this video. See you in next video.